Lord!
Hello, everyone.
Hurry up! I'm running out of time. It's snowing.
Good morning. It's gonna be one of them days. I can already tell you it's gonna be one of them days.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Just because he's acting like it's. Anyway, good
Do
morning.
your daily agenda. It's afternoon.
Hello, everyone. 252 days in No Name National. We got another day behind us. Another 1,440 minutes shot. On today's agenda, I did put it down on kind of close to the bottom. I did, kind of forget about it because I come in. I wanted to do it before we started this, but hang the Summit banner. Again, I wanted to say thank you for Summit for sending the stuff to us. Also, finally got Randy to come to the house and help me, so we're gonna we loaded the heaters from the house. One's behind me here, and now we got to unload the other one and put it back in the back. So load the heaters from the house. Of course, that's done, and then unload the heaters and hook them up. The one behind us is hooked up. The one on the trailer is not, and also take a trip to Harbor Freight to get an air jack. After watching Randy yesterday on that video, and he was fighting that jack, I can't do it. So I felt bad for him. So what I figured I'd do was upgrade mine to an air jack, and then put my cylinder off of mine onto the old one, and that way we would have a good air jack, and it would help us out a little bit when we were working on the cars and stuff. And then we'd have the old one in case I had to have mine at home or we're using it for a different project.
I now understand why the giant tried to kill Jack. Yeah, he's an ass.
I felt pretty bad when I was watching that video, and he was fighting.
Bad. Hell, you were laughing like a hyena.
I felt pretty bad when I watched it the first time because I do know how frustrating it is when you're here working by yourself and nothing wants to go right, and but it is what it is. And that's what brought me to the next one. I led right into it. Upgrade the blue engine hoist, which is mine, and then we will take parts off mine and put it on the old one. I'm gonna put this back on here today. I don't know exactly if we're gonna be able to get to it, but since we're both here, I would like to work on the drill press station and kind of make room for what's on down here a little bit. Kind of make room for the other two cars. I also would love to bend brake lines for Fireball. And like I said, Randy's here. It kind of works better when we got two people. So I'd like to bend the brake line for Fireball. And that goes back to what I said earlier, get both XBs. They're both batteries sitting up there, and they've sat up there so long not been drove, the batteries are dead. So we need to jump them off, let them run a little bit, and then we'll put them in. If we can get them inside, we'll get them inside and get the batteries charged up on them. And like I said, let them run. Some maybe take them down the road. The tags are dead on them, but I do have a guy that is thinking about buying one of them, so I kind of need to get it up and going so he can drive it and see what he thinks.
It's a blizzard outside. I don't know how much driving we'll be doing.
Yeah, well, like I said, that goes on down to down here. Then, like I said, hang the heater behind me is not working correctly.
It's on high.
It's on high, and it's not doing good. So that was a good idea to get it here and help out a little bit. But it looks like I may have to call a warranty on it and see what's going on. So that's what we're going to do there. I'm going to kind of cut it short, not talk a lot because the weather has started here. And
if we can get Fireball at least outside for right now, she's going to be a pain in the butt to start. But then we can get the tractor and push the trailer in. And did you ever measure to see if it'll fit back there?
The trailer?
Yeah.
No, not this one. I did not.
Okay.
But even if it don't, if we can get it here, it'd be a lot better.
If we can get it in here, we can still get the tractor in here and just leave Jezebel outside for a little bit.
Well, also my goal was to move. I think I'm going to put Fireball under Twisted Sister, so I may just move the four-wheeler and because I know the four-wheeler go back there, and I may just pull it around and pull it under it. But anyway, remember 252 days to No Name Nationals. So remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.
Son.
Got him.
Welcome back, everybody. We did nothing.
No, now.
If you watched the live, you saw Daddy decided it was time to reenact the Revolutionary War.
Well, it was my turn. I mean, he got me several times, and I told him it gives me a headache. But he got me several times, a couple times getting in while y'all got to watch. So I figured while we were on that live today, I figured I'd get him back. But anyway, on this debriefing, 252 days until No Name National. So like I said, we're clicking them on down. All right, we got the heaters from the house. We unloaded the heaters. We did hook the one up, like I told you before. The other one we got in place, but I did not quite get it up because, like I said, if it was just putting pipe up, it'd been different. But that is my old burner, so I've got it set up, and I think I'm gonna try a bigger copper line. I'd set up a, I think it was a 1/4-inch line or something. I think I need 3/8. So.
I know where we got plenty of 1/4-inch line.
Yeah, but I need 3/8. But anyway, I'm going to try to maybe put that on the next agenda. Did make the trip to Harbor Freight, and I did get the air jacks for us to
We hadn't showed
upgrade.
them. We hadn't showed them.
I didn't show you, but when
It's in the back of the dually.
it is. But when I do the, like I said, we got tomorrow. And I know I got weather out there, so I don't know exactly how we're gonna do tomorrow. But
I got a camper here. I'm staying.
if I can manage, I will be here. But anyway, I'll show y'all the air jack tomorrow, and maybe we can do that. We did not even get up, well, other than playing with the guns, so we really didn't get up there at the drill press station, and we didn't even look at the lines for fireballs.
Well, if you rotate them approximately 32.5 degrees to their right, they'll get to see what fireball looks like right now.
Yeah,
It's not raining.
No, it.
Quick, Randy, insert the picture of what she looked like before we thawed her.
Yeah, well, he'll show you that. Of all the cars, well, Twisted Sister's kind of hard to start too, but Fireball don't like to be cold. Randy parked it out there in the snow, so.
Well, I had to get the trailer in here.
I know, I'm just joking, but it did fire up. It did a lot better than I figured it being cold and covered in snow. I couldn't even see pulling in. I rolled the driver window down and kind of played Ace Ventura and watched coming in as somebody tried to hit the back of the car and make it like I was hitting something.
Like a glove!
So, but anyway, we'll work on that too. Not that we just not get both XBs, we didn't even get to neither one
We
of them.
didn't even touch it.
Because I'm just going to tell you, when we pulled out the gel blasters, that pretty much stopped everything. Because we played, I don't know, I think that live was right at an hour.
57 minutes.
And I'm not going to lie to you.
340 people tuned in to watch that live.
And I'm not going to lie to you, after that laughing and running and playing, I was tired. So,
and guess what? The heater's still not working.
Yeah, it's not.
So let's see. Give me the pen.
No.
Give me the pen. 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 Nope.
Yeah, we did that.
We did that.
Y'all see my banner? Look at there.
We didn't do that. We didn't do that. We didn't do that. We didn't do that. You did that. You did that.
And I kept telling him now.
And we did that.
I kept telling him, said, Bud, we got to get up and get out there and do it. Well, we did most of it.
We did 50%. 1, 2, 3. We didn't do 4 of the 8 things you wrote on there.
50% is not most of it.
Guess what?
To me, that's
By
half.
Common Core math, that's passing.
As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted. We'll work on it again. We got another 1,440 minutes. And we will jump on it and do it again. Because that's what the agenda's for, to mark off what we do and what we don't do, and where we can go from there. So, we did get that one heater going, and it fired. You fire that thing up, it's like a jet airplane, so it don't take long to start getting some heat in here.
That's the one that I had up there. I thought my microphone was working with my daughter, and turns out it was not. While she was working on the big block, you couldn't hardly hear us.
Yeah, it don't take. I mean, that thing will.
You'll burn through some propane, but it's
You will, but that's instant heat right there.
It's like 200,000 BTUs of heat.
But anyway, like I said, again, I would like to. I think it's Meek, MEEK, with Summit Racing. I'd like to tell them thank you, and
we'll send you a link to this video.
Yes, I do appreciate the merchandise, and we will continue to support. So I do appreciate it. And 252 days until No Name National. And remember, like, subscribe, and comment. We enjoy reading your comments. We enjoy reacting to them or answering them and talking to you. So, got anything you'd like to say, Jimmy the Cricket?
Maybe we can work on the schedule when we go live instead of just random times.
That would be good. We were talking about that, and
because the random times is great. Like I said, 340 some odd people tuned into the live, but you're talking like random people. I think it told us like the average view duration was only like 7 minutes, if that.
Yeah.
So you're talking if we could sit down and say, hey, let's do a live every Friday evening between 5 and 6, Cause an hour is pretty good for us right now.
Well, the only problem with us is starting this Monday. We're only gonna be here at the shop on pretty much together this Saturday and Sunday.
Rotating schedules.
Yeah, I will go to work and then I'll come here, get here around 6 o'clock. Well, he'll probably come here and kind of keep the doors open and everything during the day. Then I'll come here at 6 and he'll have to leave to go to work, what, about 4?
No, I gotta be there at 4.
So he'll leave
about 3:30.
about 3:30. He'll leave here, get him a bite to eat and go to work. Then I'll get here about 6 and I'll stay at about, 9 or 10. And it will be on that until, like I said, I don't work Fridays, but Saturday and Sunday. Now, some days he's got one of them there hard jobs, and some days he might sneak in on us here, and he puts so many hours in and everything. So some of them days he may get here and be able to see us before I do my
And what I
debriefing.
might even do, if I do this little location changer or whatever, or he doesn't have his phone, and just not tell him I'm on my way here on like a Friday or something if I get off in time, and make sure one of those fancy little gel blasters is with me. And then whenever y'all are here doing your debriefing or whatever, I can show up.
Now, don't y'all see how he plots against me? Now, I don't set up the cameras and everything and try to get him coming in or nothing like that.
That sounds like your problem.
Pretty much fair game. I mean,
it's like shooting a baby in a carriage.
Yeah, it's kind of like the hunting. He's one of them hunting there that he'll go to those fence hunts where he's guaranteed to get a shot in. See, if y'all watched it live, he didn't get very many shots in on me.
Yeah.
But he kind of got peppered up a little bit. That's why he's got to cheat, and he's got to,
listen,
ambush
the
me because when
tell you that if you ain't cheating, you ain't fighting.
Well, if you got to cheat to play a game, then
it ain't a game.
Oh, it's a game.
It ain't a game. It's a war.
It ain't no war. I'm not at war with not many people, but I'm not at war with nobody. I do absolutely despise a couple, just a handful.
We pray for them.
I do pray for them. I do. I swear. I pray a lot that a bus will hit them, or I'm joking.
I'm not joking. He prays for them to get hit by a bus or a train.
I do not wish bad harm on nobody.
You lying so much.
I do not wish bad on nobody. A couple people, if they didn't take another breath, it wouldn't hurt my feelings. But I don't wish bad on nobody. So, like I said, like, subscribe, comment. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you.
Thank you.